unboxing my Doki Doki October 2022 box. I was kindly gifted this box from Doki Doki and it's super cute. Look at this cute Halloween plush. I've got this on my desk right now. I've got some bath powder as well, the most adorable My Melody hair towel as well, an adorable little twin stars tinted balm, and the cutest Kawaii storage bag as well. Look how much space there is.
Hello, we are back in my anime room, or as some people call it, the no bitches room, which means we have a Dekai anime unboxing! This one was actually last month's, but then I went away and then TikTok stopped showing my videos to people. They're still not showing it to people. All is okay because I have Strawberry Kuralakuma. Oh my gosh, this is so cute! I'm gonna put this one right here. That is so cute. Got Sailor Moon stuff. Let's unbox these and put them on the Sailor Moon shelf. Oh my gosh, look. These are so cute, especially Luna. Yo, we got Snag. When did these exist? There's a lot of my favorites here, but I'm hoping for either you, or you. Everybody go and type L in the comment section. Still cute though, and I already bit that. Love Live, give me something good. Are you kidding me? Nozomi and Kotori. Let's go! We got more HOLLOOO figures. Stop! Guys, prize figures go crazy these days. Definitely gonna display them together. Oh my gosh. Got these vibration stars, Naruto and Hinata figures. I put the flash on so you could see how cool these are. Naruto's colors are just amazing. And our last item is Miku. It looks like it's a summer tapestry. Hung it up here just so you can see the size. It's a massive wall scroll and it is so cute.
Unboxing the Neo Rem Limited Edition.